A signature dish of Kanak culture, Bougna brings people together around the land's produce and a spirit of sharing. Today, we'll show you the steps to prepare its traditional recipe. Start by preparing the banana leaves. Pass them quickly over a flame to make them soft and flexible. Not burnt, just supple enough for wrapping. Peel and cut all the ingredients and keep them ready to assemble. Layer several banana leaves slightly overlapping to create a solid base. Place the root vegetables first, then the meat, the vegetables, and the bananas. Season with salt and pepper, then pour in the coconut milk until everything is well coated. Fold the leaves carefully to form a tight parcel and tie it securely. In the traditional method, the parcel is placed in a Kanak earth oven, a pit filled with red-hot stones. Cover it with leaves and soil and let it cook slowly for about 3 hours. At home, you can replicate this by cooking it in a tightly sealed pot on low heat for about an hour and a half. Once it's cooked, open the leaves. The bougna should be tender and full of flavor. Serve it hot, ideally right in its banana leaves. Making bougna is more than cooking. It's continuing an ancestral tradition and sharing a meal rich in history. A simple dish in ingredients, yet deeply rooted in Kanak identity.